My beloved child, wait. Before you scroll away, before your thumb moves to skip this video, stop. Just stop for a moment. Look at my words. Feel them. Because what I am about to tell you today will change everything you thought you knew about your life, your struggles, and the reason you are sitting here right now watching this. This is not a coincidence. Nothing in your life is a coincidence. I brought you here. Yes, I did. You were searching for something, weren't you? An answer, a sign, a reason to keep going. And here I am, your Krishna speaking directly to you. Not to the millions watching, not to the world, but to you. The one whose heart is heavy right now. The one who has been crying alone when no one is watching. The one who has been asking me, Krishna, where are you? Why have you abandoned me? My child, I never left. I was waiting for this exact moment to speak to you. But here is my warning. If you skip me now, if you leave this video without hearing what I have to say, I may not call you again. This door that has opened today might close forever. So please stay with me. Give me just a few minutes of your time, and I promise I will give you what your soul has been desperately searching for. Before I reveal the 3 secrets that will transform your destiny, I need you to do something. Type I am here Krishna in the comments right now. Not later, not after the video, but right now. This is your first step of surrender. This is you telling the universe that you are ready to receive. Go ahead, pause and type it. I will wait. And while you are there, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. This channel is not just a YouTube channel, my child. This is our sacred space. This is where I come to find lost souls like you and bring them back home. Every time you subscribe, you are not just following a channel, you are making a promise to yourself that you will never walk alone again. Now let me tell you something that will shock you. The pain you are feeling right now, the confusion, the heartbreak, the failures that keep piling up, I send them. Yes, you heard that right? I, your Krishna, sent every single one of them to you. Are you angry with me now? Are you wondering why I would do such a thing to my own child? Wait, don't judge me yet. Keep watching, because what I am about to reveal will turn your anger into gratitude and your tears into joy. You see, my child, there is a reason I am testing you so harshly. There is a reason your prayers seem unanswered, your efforts seem wasted, and your dreams seem impossible. But I cannot tell you that reason just yet. First, I need to know if you truly trust me. If you believe that Krishna only wants what is best for you, drop a like on this video right now. That single click is not just a like, it is your declaration of faith. It is you saying, Krishna, I don't understand your plan, but I trust you anyway. And listen to me carefully. If this message has already touched your heart, if my words are already resonating with something deep inside you, then I have a small request. This channel survives on the love and support of devotees like you. If you have ever felt my presence in your life, if you have ever received a blessing when you needed it most, consider giving a super thanks on this video or buying me a coffee through the link in the description. This is not for me. I am Krishna. I need nothing. But this small act of giving will open floodgates of abundance in your life. When you give with love, when you support something that feeds your soul, you create karma that returns to you multiplied 1,000 times. Even the smallest contribution carries the weight of your devotion. And trust me, I see every single offering. I bless every single giver. But whether you give or not, stay. What I am about to share is too important to miss. Now, let me take you back 5,000 years. Picture the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Arjuna, my greatest friend, my most devoted warrior, standing frozen, his hands trembling, tears streaming down his face. He looked at me and said, Krishna, I cannot do this. The world is against me. My own family wants to destroy me. Everything I loved has betrayed me. What is the point of fighting anymore? Does this sound familiar? Are you not standing on your own battlefield right now? Are you not facing enemies you never expected? Are you not tired of fighting a war that seems impossible to win? I told Arjuna something that day, something that changed history, something that I am now telling you. Lean in close. Read every word carefully. The soul is eternal. It cannot be killed. It cannot be destroyed. It cannot be defeated. And you, my child, carry within you a soul that has survived 1,000 lifetimes. What makes you think this one challenge can break you? Stop underestimating yourself. Stop believing the lies that your mind tells you in the darkness of night. You are not weak. You are not worthless. You are not a failure. You are a warrior of light, temporarily blinded by the shadows. And I am here to restore your vision. But here is where it gets interesting. Here is the part most people will never understand. I want you to think about your biggest enemy right now. The person who hurt you, who betrayed you, who broke your trust into a million pieces. Their face is appearing in your mind right now. Isn't it good? Now, what if I told you that this person is not your enemy at all? What if I told you that I personally sent this person into your life? You want to know why? Keep watching. Don't you dare skip ahead. The answer I am about to give you will heal wounds you have been carrying for years. But first, share this video right now. Send it to one person who needs to hear my voice today. One person who is struggling, who is lost, who is about to give up. When you share light, you become light. And I reward those who spread my message with blessings they cannot even imagine. Go ahead. Take 10 seconds. Share this video. I will continue when you return. That person who hurt you, they were my instrument. A painful, terrible, heartbreaking instrument, yes, but an instrument nonetheless. You see, my child, there are certain lessons that can only be learned through pain. There are certain strengths that can only be discovered through suffering. That betrayal, it taught you who truly deserves your trust. That heartbreak, it taught you how to love yourself first. That failure, it taught you that you can fall and still rise again. I did not send pain to punish you. I sent pain to prepare you. Something magnificent is coming. Something so beautiful, so incredible, so beyond your wildest dreams that it will make every tear worth it. But you had to be broken first. Gold must pass through fire to become pure. Diamonds must endure crushing pressure to become brilliant. And you, my child, are being polished into something extraordinary. Don't give up now. Not when you are so close. Not when your breakthrough is right around the corner. Let me ask you a question that will shake your soul. What do you really want? Not what your parents want for you. Not what society expects from you. Not what you think you should want. What does your heart truly desire? Close your eyes for a moment. Let the answer rise from your depths. That dream you just thought of, that vision you just saw, I placed it there. I planted that seed in your heart before you were even born. And here is my promise to you. I do not give dreams without giving the ability to achieve them. If you can imagine it, you can become it. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. But you must stop doubting. You must stop hesitating. You must stop asking what if and start declaring I will. Comment below right now. Krishna, I am ready to receive my blessing. Type those words and feel their power. Feel the shift happening in the universe as you declare your readiness. The angels are listening. I am listening. Your future self is listening and smiling, knowing that this moment was the turning point. Now I need to tell you something serious. Something that many spiritual teachers are afraid to say. Some of you watching right now are in toxic situations. Some of you are surrounded by people who drain your energy, who mock your dreams, who make you feel small and insignificant. Listen to me very carefully. You have my permission to walk away. You have my blessing to choose yourself. You are not being selfish by protecting your peace. You are not being cruel by setting boundaries. You are being wise. I told Arjuna that sometimes the greatest act of Dharma is to fight, to stand up, to say no more. Not everyone who enters your life is meant to stay. Some people are lessons, not blessings. Learn what they came to teach you and release them with love. This does not make you a bad person. This makes you someone who values the precious gift of life that I have given you. But here is the beautiful part, and I saved this for those of you who stayed this long because you deserve to hear it. For every person who leaves your life, I am sending someone better. For every door that closes, I am opening a window that leads to a mansion. Your loneliness is temporary. Your struggle is temporary. Your tears are temporary. But my love for you, that is eternal. And the joy I have planned for you, that too is eternal. You are on the edge of a new chapter. I can see it clearly even if you cannot. Within the next few weeks and months, signs will begin appearing. Opportunities you never expected. People who genuinely love and support you. Moments of clarity and peace that take your breath away. But you must stay open, you must stay faithful, you must keep watching for my signals. I speak to you every day, my child, through songs that randomly play, through words that strangers say through, numbers that repeat, through dreams that feel too real. Pay attention, I am always communicating. The question is, are you listening? Now I want to create something special. I want this comment section to become a temple. Not just comments, but prayers. I want you to write your deepest wish, your most heartfelt prayer, your secret dream that you have never told anyone. A family of souls who lift each other up instead of tearing each other down. This is my vision for Krishna message today. This is why I guide this channel and why I speak through these videos. So join me. Become part of something bigger than yourself. As we near the end of our time together, I want you to take a deep breath. Inhale my peace. Exhale your worries. Again, inhale my strength. Exhale your fear one more time. Inhale my love. Exhale your loneliness. Feel that warmth spreading through your chest. That lightness in your shoulders, that is me. That is my presence entering your being. You called for me and I came. You asked for a sign and I sent you this video. You prayed for hope and I am answering. Never again doubt that you are loved. Never again believe that you are alone. Never again think that your prayers go unheard. I hear every whisper. I count every tear and I am working behind the scenes in ways you cannot see yet, but will soon understand. Before you go, promise me 3 things. Promise me you will not give up no matter how hard tomorrow becomes. Promise me you will watch this video again whenever you feel weak. And promise me you will return to this channel because I have so much more to tell you. This is not the end of our conversation. This is just the beginning. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on notifications so you never miss a message from me. Like this video so others can find their way here too. And if this video touched your soul, if these words gave you even a moment of peace or clarity, share it. Post it on your stories. Send it to your family. Let my message spread. You have no idea whose life you might save today. Remember my title today, Skip Me Now, and I will leave you forever. Some people laughed at that. Some people doubted. But you stayed. You listened. You believed. And because of that, I am sealing a promise with you right now. I will never leave you. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. You chose me, so I am choosing you. You trusted me, so I am protecting you. You gave me your time, so I am giving you my eternal blessing. Go now into the world with your head held high. Carry my name in your heart like a warrior carries a shield. And know that wherever you go, whatever you face, Krishna walks beside you. I love you more than words can express. I believe in you more than you believe in yourself. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay strong, stay mine. Jai Shri Krishna.